Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Flutter on Windows using Android Studio step by step clearly. To set up Flutter on Windows using Android Studio, start by downloading the Flutter SDK. Visit the official Flutter website at flutter.dev. Click on the Get Started link and select Windows as your operating system. Scroll down to the Get the Flutter SDK section. Download the latest stable release of the Flutter SDK in a .zip file. Once the download is complete, extract the .zip file to a suitable location on your computer. For ease of use, it's recommended to place the Flutter folder in a directory like C:\Flutter. Next, update your system environment variables. Right-click on this PC or my computer and click on Properties. Select Advanced System Settings and then click on Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, look for the path variable and select it, then click Edit. Add a new entry, pointing to the bin directory inside the Flutter folder you extracted, for example, C:\Flutter_bin. Click OK to close all dialog boxes and save your changes. Now, it's time to verify the installation. Open a new command prompt window. Type Flutter Doctor and press Enter. This command checks your Flutter installation and provides a summary of any missing dependencies. Next, download and install Android Studio from the official site. During installation, ensure that you select the option to install the Android SDK and Android Virtual Device. Once installed, launch Android Studio. On the welcome screen, select Configure and then Plugins. In the Marketplace, search for Flutter and click the Install button. When prompted, follow the instructions to also install the Dart plugin. Once the installation is complete, restart Android Studio. After restarting, you should be able to create a new Flutter project. Select Start a new Flutter project from the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new Flutter application. To run your app, make sure you have an Android emulator set up or a physical device connected. Click on the Play button to launch your Flutter application. Your Flutter setup on Windows using Android Studio is now complete. You're ready to start developing powerful mobile applications with Flutter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.